susceptible to tangles. If you have trouble detangling your long or fine hair, here are some tips on how to properly detangle fine hair. Today's video will discuss how to detangle fine hair.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
Reach for the conditioner. Some people with fine hair think they can get away without conditioner because fine hair tends to be oily and therefore doesn't need conditioner. Wrong. A conditioner will have soft strands, making them so much easier to detangle. If you have oily hair, apply conditioner to the bottom 2/3 of your hair. You can also try applying conditioner before you shampoo. The shampoo will rinse off the residue the conditioner can leave, but you will still be left with untangled hair. If you have normal or dry hair, try a leave-in conditioner applied to ends. A leave-in conditioner sprayed only on the bottom 2/3 of hairs can also help in the detangling process. The wild-tooth comb versus the detangling brush. For years, beauty experts praised that the best way to detangle fine hair is with a wild-tooth comb, and then someone created detangling brushes. There are actually plastic brushes on the market crest to detangling hair when it's wet. The brushes are sprayed far apart so you experience less breakage. But they are not meant to superfine, easily breakable hair. If you have fine hair, you are much better off with a comb than a brush. My favorite comb is the wrist-like, no-static, wavy-handled green sandalwood white-tooth comb. Don't have superfine hair? You might consider the Detangle teaser. How to comb when it's wet. Always comb or brush wet hair by working from the bottom of hair up. Start by combing the bottom 6 inches of hair. When this is detangled, move on up the hair until you reach your crown. How to brush out tangles in dry hair. If hair is dry and tangled and you don't want to wet hair, rub a few drops of shine serum in your pants and then run your hands through your hair. The serum will help you work out the knots with a comb. What do you think of this important information? So let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.